I ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, had me thinking they're friends. 10 toes.
All right. We back with another one. It's your boy, Credit K, giving y'all the game regarding finance, crypto, passive income, active income, how to turn those credit opportunities into investments. We about that. And I'm here with a super app. Yes, a super app. This app called Money Lion allows you to get a bank account, get credit building, get personal loans, get auto financing for cars, get insurance, auto insurance, personal insurance, life insurance, anything financial related. This app is about that. So we'll take a peek around. This is basically a review. I was heavily using this app and it helped me actually build my credit. I did the credit builder loan for 6 months. I paid back $75 a month off a $500 loan. A little interest on the back end. But like I said, very great company. Let's get into it. So learn money hacks, win prizes. So you can do little things to actually make money on this site as well. They have little surveys and little small jobs and little questions you can answer with a small amount of money. You also can get a bank account. So it's mobile banking. At its finest, you get a debit card as well. You can take pictures of your checks or have your checks direct deposited straight into the account. That's the best way to go. And that way you can qualify for instant cash advances and credit builder loans instantly by having money going to this. And then financial offers. Like I said, you can shop for insurance. They do insurance. You even got side jobs, little things you can create to make money as well. Here's the instant cash. Say you do need qualifying direct deposits to qualify for the instant cash. They have credit peer-to-peer building loans, so your friends can send you money as well to help build your credit up. And then here's the building credit, easy credit building membership. You join the credit building program and start boosting that credit. So let's talk about that. I think that's the most beneficial thing of this Money Lion app. It is $19.99 a month. So like I said, with credit builder apps, you put the money up front. So you either put anywhere from $500, $1,000, $2,000 into an account. You get to spend that money and then pay it back to get it back up to that 2,000, or just leave it there and let that credit build up on that account, and you just pay the $19.99 a month and your credit bills. That way, it's a no hard credit check to see if you're approved for this, usually because you're putting the money up front. So that's why they're not making you do a credit check on there. Get the credit builder loan, monitor your credit. You get a cash advance on that money. It's your own money. But that's what it is. Most people get 42 points in 60 days. And usually when that happens, that means you have no negative things on your credit report. So once you start building and boosting your credit, you want to have all the negative things off your credit, or at least be making on-time payments at the time. So if you got a couple late payment, 30 days late, 60 days late, and you started to pay it back on time, so you was late in February, but March and April, you made on-time payments. That's great. Keep making on-time payments. If the account is under 2 years old, then it may be beneficial to wipe the whole thing off your credit report. But in hindsight, you definitely want to be on the right track when you start using these credit builder loans. So you don't want anything reporting negative or reporting late at the time. But if it's you back on track, then go ahead and start building and boosting, you guys. All right. Apply for a loan. Like I said, here's the loan. No hard credit check. Pay it off. And keep it moving. You also have, like I said, regular loans where they will pull a credit. That's up to $10,000. So here's get a loan. So no credit card credit check. As long as your credit, you don't have any super terrible things going on with your credit, you should be approved with this. And here's some more products. Here's the Roar Money. That's the advanced, investment accounts, credit builders, Moneyline Crypto. They even do crypto, so you can open up a crypto account and have a wallet for your crypto. Let me make sure you actually do have a wallet. It's not just a buy and sell crypto. Yeah, so you can buy and sell, not just like on Robinhood. Even on Robinhood, you do have an actual wallet now, but before you didn't. So no keys, no cheese. So you do actually get a wallet to buy and sell. What's this game plan? Mastery your money with game plan 2 is a big thing. Activate free game plan. Okay, so they give you ways to save money and build wealth with the game plan. So like a personalized financial advisor on here as well. So you can use that. So that's why I call it a super app. And it does more than just one thing. Most apps are only for banking or one app only to get you a loan. This one does multiple things regarding finance. One app for crypto. You got all in one right here. Sort of like Cash App. Cash App kind of be considered a super app as well. You can invest in crypto and trade stock. And I don't think it does have a bank account as well on there as well. But you can't get any personal loans with Cash App. So this one outranks Cash App in that regard. And you can send and receive money through here. So it does everything Cash App does plus more. So I'm going to have a link down in the description to sign up for Moneyline account. Go ahead and find that link, sign up. Both of us get $60 for signing up. So go ahead and use that link. Just don't go to this website or download the app. Actually use my link so both of us can get some money and boss up and be better financially in the long run. All right. So that's that. And then there's the marketplace. Like I said, you can get a personal loan, auto finance, student loan, refinancing. Looks like they got credit cards that they kind of match you with credit cards. So they don't have their own credit card, but they'll match you and see, which one's the best credit card. And then understanding credit, women who roar, some other, news, things of that nature. And you can see about them, get a job with them, see what they're all about, who they partner with. Make sure there's something, credible and ethical company with your standards. All right, guys. All right. So that's Moneyline, the super app. This is the website review, but basically everything is done on the app. So you'll have to download the app to actually get going. But use the link down in the description that says Moneyline, and we all will win. All right. All right. Later.